pa ata nasasabi sa vlog, pero 2 out of 3 ng mga to-do list ko. I'll be moving this sofa because tinanggal nila yung Friends sa Netflix. Some packages, I really started to feel lost. Nilagay ko pa siya sa supot para mapakita ko lang sa inyo, pero hi again, or hi for the first time. I know it has been pretty much over a year since I last vlogged. Why not start again and introduce myself? I'm Joyce, I'm in my 20s, and it's nice to meet you. You might be wondering, bakit basa pa yung buhok mo? Nag-intro ka na. It's because may appointment ako ng 10:30. And it's 9:53. For me, sa Pilipinas, dapat 30 minutes yung allowance mo kahit gaano ka pa kalapit sa pupuntahan mo. Nagmamadali na ako. Hindi ko na kayang patuyuin yung buhok ko, which I hate. Yung basa yung buhok ko tapos lumalabas. Feeling ko lahat ng pollution kukunin ng buhok ko. Pero wala na tayong choice. And gumawa ako ng coffee. Cheers, guys! Malilate na pero magkakape pa. So, may appointment ako sa waxing salon. I have to get my eyebrows threaded. Before we go, kung ano yung mangyayari today, our goal for today is to go to the waxing salon. Bibili pala ako cake. Bibili pala akong cake. So, need ko maghanap ng heels for my oath-taking. Oh my God! Hindi ko pa ata nasasabi sa vlog. Pero, I passed the CPA licensure exam, guys. Moment of silence. Thank you. Thank you. Feeling ko ang dami ko nararamdaman. Nagpapanik ako kasi di ko alam either mag-jeep ako or like mag-grab ako. So 30 minutes ba, makakabook ba ako ng grab? Like makakarating ba siya dito? Makakarating ba ako sa appointment ko? Ang dami ko nararamdaman. Siguro dahil sa kapito, pero okay, let's go. Ay, shoes talaga. I'm running late. I think I should just book some grab kasi feeling ko mas hindi ko mapapredict if mag-jeep ako. So, kinakabahan ako. Okay, I booked a grab na. Oh, okay. It's downstairs na. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye, guys. See you sa mall. So, I'm here na sa H&M. Doon na yung brows ko. Looking for a heel. Di ba usually sa H&M, hiwa-hiwala yung mga gamit. Earring! Okay, heels. Pero I don't think bagay siya sa white. Open tone. Well, size ko to, pero this could be an option. Pero open to, ayoko sana ng open to. Pero parang good naman yung... Wait, I'll call my mom. I'm home. I just got 2 out of 3 ng mga to-do list ko. That one was the waxing salon appointment and yung cake. I just passed by Watson's. I got an eyelash curler, and if you guys didn't know, I always need to pass by National Bookstore. I got one thing na kailangan ko kasi naubos na yung rim namin ng ganito. And then, yung most important ng to-do list ko ay hindi ko nagawa. Wala akong mahanap na shoes. Shoes na I like, that fit me. I found one na gusto ko. I'll flash it on the screen. It's not on my size. Dapat smaller pa dun sa brand na yon. I don't want to risk it. Baka kapag kinuha ko siya, baka humagis sa paa ko. So, hindi siya magiging comfortable gamitin. I don't know when or where ako makakabili at makakahanap. Because next week na yon, or like 10 days. Next week na pala yun. Who knows? So, I need to go out ulit. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Oops. Hindi talaga ito usually yung breakfast ko. Usually kanin or coffee. May cucumber kasi ako nakita sa ref. So, why not? Feeling ko naman okay naman siya. Anyway, so while we wait for the broccoli to cook, let's open some packages. I think alam ko na kung ano to. Okay, wait. Let's unbox it. I have my trusty cute cutter. Ito muna. Sabay-sabay siya dumating yesterday pero wala na akong energy. Feeling ko napagod ako sa pag-ikot-ikot ko sa mall yesterday. So, hindi ko na siya nabuksan. Which is new because sobrang excited ako lagi if may package ako. Kahit hindi naman para sa akin. May freebie! This is my mom's order. And ang daming freebie. OMG, ang saya. Ang saya naman ng seller. Thank you kung sino man po kayo. Sana masarap din po yung breakfast nyo. Ang arte lang ng cutter, pero pwede namang ganito. Yung isa ref cover, yung gallon cover. Let's see. See? Ayan o, parang gallon cover. Para mukha siyang aesthetic. Ito naman yung isa. Okay, may pocket siya. Bakit ba ako parang nagle-live selling? Pinapakita ko lang naman. Ang aking happy purchase. Ito yung pinaka-excited ako. Kasi, yung dati kong favorite na coffee glass, natabig ko siya, so nabasag. Oh my gosh. Pero manipis siya. Parang feeling ko mas bet ko to gamitin for now. Let's use this one for my coffee. Okay, my battery died. Now that I'm done with breakfast, I thought I should just take a moment and have a sit-down debrief with you guys. Because a lot happened sa past year. I thought I should just catch you up with what has been happening or like what happened in my life. I recently passed my CPA licensure exam. I can't believe I'm saying that. That's mainly the reason why I've been MIA sa pagva-vlog. Because I can't find the time or the motivation na mag-vlog. And to be completely honest, I still can't believe that I passed. Ever since first year college, I would scribble my name and put CPA sa dulo ng pangalan. But now, it's getting real or it's real na. I don't know if when yung transition, if after oath-taking ba, tsaka lang magkaka-CPA talaga sa pangalan. Hopefully, I could organize my CPA journey on another vlog. So, let me know. No one told me after those congratulations, parang it gets really, really quiet. Nawala na yung mga deadlines, nawala na yung kinakram mo. After graduation, I really know what to do next. Parang alam ko na after my graduation, I would take the boards and hopefully I would pass. And thankfully, I did. Pero after nung pagpasa ko, parang ang daming uncertainty. Baka ito yung adulting or like yung quarter life crisis. Di ko alam. I know it's a privileged thing to have. Not know what to do next. Parang I have the option to do what I want. There's just this space. I really started to feel lost. But I think maybe this is where I'll start again. Not because I have any idea on what I should do right now, but because maybe you haven't either. So, here's to figuring out our lives in our 20s. Before I end this vlog pala, sorry kung paiba-iba yung lighting. Minsan kukulimlim, minsan aaraw, minsan uulan. Hindi ko na din maintindihan. Feeling ko nagkaka-quarter life crisis na din yung weather. Joke lang. Nagta-transition lang siya from summer ata to tag-ulan na. But before I forget, 2 days ago, I was able to organize all my accounting books. So, I'll be moving this sofa kasi nasa baba yung mga books ko from undergrad. Ouch, aray, natampaan yung pinky toe ko, aray. Aray! Ito na yung lahat. Sobrang dumi niya, so kailangan ko siya i-wipes and then I will remove yung mga label nila. Sana all. While watching yung clips of Friends sa YouTube. Because, tinanggal nila yung Friends sa Netflix. Yun na lang yung pinapanood ko sa Netflix, bro. Pero tinanggal nila. So, ano? E di nasa YouTube tayo. Manonood tayo ng clips. I'll also remove yung mga ganito. able to organize it na by subject. I'll be giving it away sa study tweet community. So I'm thinking if I should just use Google Forms. Tapos, kiklik na lang doon yung mga book ganon, kung ano yung type nila. Hopefully, if you're an accountancy student, you'll stumble on that tweet. Some of those I will sell and most of them I will donate. Sana, if may nanonood na accountancy student dito, sana maging CPA kayong lahat. Gusto ko lang din i-share mga recent happy purchases ko. Wala, ang cute lang talaga. I was able to get my hands blind boxes ng Starbucks. Pero, idodocument ko lang to kasi bukas ko na. Ito yung una kong nakuha. This one naman, yung sobrang happy ko nung binuksan ko to. Moving series ng Smisky. Ayan, ito yung options niya. Let's open it. Kahit bukas na siya. Nilagay ko pa siya sa supot para mapakita ko lang sa inyo. Pero mag-arte-arte na lang tayo. Look at the detail, bro. May tape pa. Saya, as in, sobrang saya. Ang gustong-gusto ko talaga yung work series na nagla-laptop. Feeling ko ako talaga yun. Like, so gusto ko na lang bumili talaga nung unbox na Smisky na nagla-laptop. If you guys know kung saan makakabili, let me know. Yung kahit yung unbox na. Finally, matatapon ko na yung box kasi na-share ko na sa inyo. Pero, happy purchase talaga. Like, I'm so happy. Pero ayokong ma-addict sa blind box kasi I know, sobrang gastos. I'll try to be more consistent with vlogging. I'm so excited with what the universe has in store for all of us. I'm so excited for it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!